Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Xquisite Floral Design and Events. And I am a florist who has been in the wedding floral industry for over 15 years. And my undergrad is in education, and I love bringing you guys my graduate is in education, and I love bringing you guys educational videos on how to become a florist, how to become a floral designer, or even information in the wedding or special event industry. And today we're going to talk about this lovely thing that we call Instagram. So today we're going to talk about Instagram and your floral business. Now, this right here, Instagram is forever changing, something forever baffling. And so I'm just going to give you a few things that I did in order to I'm not the best at it by no means. And there's probably videos on here that probably gives you better information on how to do this. But I'm just going to give you some information on what I've done, and see how you guys, what I've done, and then let me know if it works for you guys. So I'm not going to tell you how to grow to 15 million subscribers, because for me, it's basically been luck. And I'll tell you what luck that has helped me grow. But so this is basically one. So first we're going to talk about the grid, and I'll show you this better when I show you on, because I'll put it right here. So let's go ahead and let's do a record screen. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have about 19K followers, and I only follow 1,000 people. And then I have a little over 1,000 posts. So first, as you can see, I have at the very beginning, you see me, Nia. I want people to know who they are talking about. I know a lot of brands, I want you guys to know who I am. I want to be the face of the business. When I start to break off, I still want to be the face of the business, but in other aspects of my business, if you guys want, if you are a coordinator, you may want to not be the face of the business, because then the ladies will always want you. So you got to think about it. Do you want to be in the back of the business, or do you want to be in the front? And with me and my personality, it seems to work best because of the fact that they know who I am. So I just have a little caption up at the beginning to let you guys know I'm a florist or a floral designer, and the things that I do, which are I'm a florist, a planner, and a coordinator. Then you go into my link tree, which has some of the different things, like how to get a quote directly to my website, my YouTube channel, Wine and Vines floral design class, Pinterest, and Facebook. And then you go a little bit, you probably don't see the other little things right here, but you see where it has some of my reviews, my style shoots, publications, and some of the floral things that I've done. And then we're into my grid. As you can see, my grid kind of shows, it goes 9 pictures per, which for me is I can't, unless it's really hard. And if you're really good with the eye, it's really hard for me to put pictures. I want you to get a good visual of what everything looks like. So if you look at it from I don't want to go into that. If you look at it from right here, you see the 9 pictures, and you see how cohesive, I can't talk, how together it looks. And if you just keep on going, how everything looks very uniform, very pretty. So that's one of the things I did. It's easier for me to put 9 of them together of the same shot, the same event, and just show different angles of the whole event. And I've had clients tell me that they like that they can see different things and not just one of an event. So that's basically what I did for that. Now, when it came to the amount of followers I had, that all came from collaborating and collaborating when it came to meeting different people at all the events that I know. So if I had an event this weekend, I go and talk to the photographer, I go and talk to the venue, I go and talk to everybody. You want them to repost you. And even if you have to follow that person, you want them to repost. So say they're taking photos and they're uploading and showing sneak peeks. You want them to show sneak peeks of the floral arrangements they want. You also want to tag them. Once they tag you, you want to repost their work. Once you start doing that and reposting other people, they're going to always want to tag you because they know that you're going to repost to your audience, which is going to all my vendors are always usually receiving business from me. So that's one thing. And then especially the venue too. You want to repost some of their work. So say you did a reel on their, on you setting up the venue. You want to also tag that venue and they normally repost. If everything is beautiful, you're going to get followers. You're going to get brides who are going, and that's the most important. You can have 1 million followers, but if it's not producing business, what's the point? So once they repost that and it showed you at their venue that you done something that is amazing because you're amazing, you're going to get young ladies who follow, and you're also going to get business. You're going to get tons of business. So that's my thing. Even the DJ, the videographer, the venue, the planner, the cake person, all those people, you're going to connect with them on the day of, get their business card, give them your business card, take pictures of everything. When you upload the reel, you're going to tag everybody in it, do separate things with separate people in your stories, tag them in it. They will definitely repost. When they repost, you repost, and that's it. Repost what they repost. And it goes from there. So I swear you will see that your count go up. Now, another thing that I also do is style shoots. When I do style shoots, so we do style shoots and then we get them published. Once they are published, that's another thing. I've been published on, just even being published on like Moon and Loop, green wedding shoes. Who else have I been reposted on? There's been tons of different places that I've been reposted on. Once you get posted, or even in their stories, even on their feed, you are going to get ladies to come over to your Instagram feed and follow you there. Now, another thing also is reels. Back in the day, it used to be, pictures, and then it was stories, and then it was lives, and now it's reels. I do get paid for posting reels. Once you receive, once you get 10,000 followers, I think you can monetize your reels, but it ain't that much, because after I started monetizing, my reels don't do nothing. They do like 1,000 out of 19,000 followers. So it don't get it. Where I used to at least get 8 to 10,000. So I don't know what's going on, but it does help me with reaching out to new people. So like I said, once you go to a venue, take pictures of everything. More people are more creative than I am when it comes to reels. I'm not that creative. I just be reposting what I did there. There's some stuff that I see people do some amazing things, and I would look into what other people are doing to go viral with them, but that's not my main goal. My main goal is just to get reposted on my vendors that I seen that day, or even the venues Instagram. And so create you a reel, very simple. Who do I use to create my reels? Because I ain't got time to be doing all this editing. I use Beat, let me see, what is it called? What is it? Beatly. So it's, you know, I just go into it. Let's record this screen. So I just go into it and I just start creating. Then I take all, and then I just take, I grab all my pictures. So say we're gonna do this one right here. So I grab all my pictures on, this was a baby shower I just did not too long ago. And then I pick a song. I try to pick songs that don't have too much words in it. I take that and then, we didn't grab it. So I just pick one. So say we're gonna pick that one. Then it just creates it. And let's see, let's turn down the music. And so you see, and then right here, we could do fading, we could do fast cut. I usually use zoom, boomerang, slow and speed up. And then let's watch it, you guys. And with the music, here we go. Now you're able to edit it for, which I like about this is for whatever media, whatever, so say with popular, which is 30 seconds for your feed, TikTok, stories, reels, which I don't use the reels because if it gets too long, people get bored. And even, you can even do it for 3 minutes for YouTube. So that's basically what I do for my reels, quick and simple. Got it together. So what else? So that's basically the things that I do in order to build up my Instagram followers. Now, it used to be easier, but now it's getting a lot harder. Like I said, the main things to do is collaborate. The way you get those collaborations is when you are at an event, try to collect all the people business cards and speak to all the people, all the vendors. And then the second way is doing style shoots, and I will be doing a video on how I do style shoots. Or yeah, I will probably do a quick video, not giving too much, because I do want to start charging for this information. I need some money. But no, how to do style shoots, and then, or even one of the, and then even do a style shoots. And even when I first started to get published, how to get published really easy. And that's a good one. There's a really easy way to get published. You're not big people, but when you start getting published, and then you just climb your way up. That's all it's about, you guys, climbing your way up. And then the last thing is reels. So I hope this video helps you guys out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm on the road to 10,000. That's my goal for the end of this year, is finally get to 10,000. It has been a slow climb. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you guys anything, but it helps me out a whole lot. And then also at the bottom, you guys, let me know if there's anything that you guys want me to do videos on that can help you out. I'll be happy to give you some information, or as much information. I don't like holding back, as you guys can see. I just be giving this out for free. Giving it to you for free. But anyway, you guys, I will see you next time, and goodbye. Hehehe